how to run dual WhatsApp accounts on a single iPhone. First, open the App Store on your iPhone and search for WhatsApp Business. Now download and install it. Once the installation is complete, open WhatsApp Business. Set up WhatsApp Business by entering the phone number you want to use for your second WhatsApp account. This number should be different from the one you use on the WhatsApp account. Now complete the setup, and now you can see WhatsApp Business and WhatsApp Messenger. These are two different numbers, and that is how you can run dual WhatsApp in single iPhone. With these two WhatsApps, you now have two WhatsApp accounts on your iPhone, the regular WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business. You can use them simultaneously with different phone numbers. And that's it. Now you know how to run dual WhatsApp accounts on a single iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone else who might find it useful.